I think acceptance is the key. I am manifesting a Rang De Basanti kind of film to be made again in our
Yes,
country.
please.
Whatever time you get, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा बैठे बैठे खड़े होके जब मन करे सो जाओ.
Any cheat day,
Energy,
cheat meal.
आपकी energy change हो जाती है. When you're doing good
Right.
to yourself, you start feeling good about yourself and you attract
And you
good
glow
in
different.
universe. Yeah.
Yeah. So, I know, what do you prefer having in a cheat day? Cheat meal? Is it like chole
KFC,
bhature? What is it?
KFC. I'm a
KFC,
KFC
oh.
person. मैं एयरपोर्ट पे जाता हूँ सबसे पहले KFC जाता हूँ. अपने
Protein
सबसे
intake
पहले
का तब भी सोचते हो.
दिमाग में
Nice.
रहता है थोड़ा सा.
So now moving on to a different round. It's called BL Quickie. We want quick answers and
Okay.
honest answers.
Yeah.
Okay, Sundays at work or Sundays in bed?
Sundays at work. Every day at work.
बचपन का favorite Bollywood सितारा?
Johnny Brand.
अभी
Yeah.
तक?
अभी तक भी यार. I love him.
Pinch.
The same. So cute.
Last person you stalked on social media?
Last person. I think Fire D'Souza. I was just looking for updates on the war.
Okay. Favorite travel destination?
Italy.
Tips for successful happy marriage for all the men. Green flag
Okay.
का मंत्र बता दो.
Uh-huh. Tips for a happy marriage is to be persistent every day, to be okay and accepting, and this goes for both the male and the female parts of the marriage. और इसमें you just have to be. I think acceptance is the key. Whatever, because आप लोग अपनी अपनी journey जी रहे हो. You two different people are living two different lives.
Right.
एक ये मुझे ऐसा myth लगता है. This is very personal. I find this as a myth. You become one. No, it doesn't work like that. You are two human beings living in one home, trying to create a common life, but you still have two different lives. तो problems वहां शुरू होती हैं when you try to make it one, and कि हमारा goal भी एक ही है. No, you have different goals, you had different dreams, you had a different life altogether. You are different people, you evolve at a different pace. So just keep looking at the other person and keep respecting the evolution and accept the person as he or she is, and let the other person be at peace. I think that's what works the best. So ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. It's
Did you
as
know
simple as
the
that.
question beforehand? Because it's like itne beautifully you have presented it. You were
No,
already
no,
prepared
no,
with
nothing,
us.
nothing. I have nothing. Did you write it down? Did you give it to someone?
No,
No?
I did not.
तो अभी अभी मिला है मुझे. हाँ.
So your favorite OTT show,
Sacred
which you
Games
would
for
be?
life. Breaking
Oh
Bad,
wow.
Sacred Games.
And one actor you'd love to collaborate with.
Ah, Leonardo DiCaprio.
An actress
Kate Winslet.
and director.
Christopher Nolan.
Indian की बात कर रहे हैं अगर Indian film
Shujit
industry.
Sircar.
Okay. And most memorable on-set experience which you will never forget, something, spooky happened or mishap, anything.
Ah,
As in like,
it has to be
something
negative.
funny.
It has
Funny,
to be
funny,
negative.
funny.
Funny, okay.
Funny prank.
Okay. All right. So as TV actors, we are very blessed to have so many experiences because you
Oh,
work so much.
yes.
You work so much. So there was one instance while doing this show called Manmohini for ZTV, where I was playing a double role, where I have to play one character called Ram in the current scenario in 2020, and my पुनर्जन्म का जो राजा था वो 500 साल पहले. I'm the reincarnation of that person. So we shot for 8 consecutive days without sleeping. तो दिन में हम लोग शूट करते थे 500 साल पहले का पार्ट. I used to ride a horse the whole day in a ground fighting battle scenes and doing all of that. और शाम को 7 बजे आके I used to just get rid of that makeup and jewelry and that pagadi and everything and mustaches, get back to my original self as the current character, and then shoot for that scene the whole night. So there was
Oh
this
my
whole
God.
chunk which had to come on air the next week, and it was VFX heavy. So we had to shoot for 24 hours for 8 consecutive days.
In the
तो
middle,
वही
you lost yourself. You
हाँ,
lost your personality.
completely. तो सभी लोग मतलब whatever time you get, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा 3 घंटा बैठे बैठे खड़े होके जब मन करे सो जाओ, but the whole unit was there for 8 days. So that's one
Wow.
drill that I had. Now every schedule looks like a cakewalk to me. यार ठीक है, 10 घंटे की तो बात है, कोई बात नहीं यार, 12 घंटे की बात है, 15 घंटे की बात है, 2 दिन की बात है, कराओ क्या कराओ है. So like, it helps that way. It
So
prepares you
any
for
dream,
worst conditions.
that's great. So any dream role you'd love to play, any apart from, the cop and the other?
Can I pick up my phone and show you something?
Yeah,
Is that okay? So I
please,
have.
please do.
Okay, so these are four of my. Can you see them? Yeah.
Oh,
So
yes,
this
I can.
is Rockstar, Interstellar, Rang De Basanti, and Dark Knight.
Arey wow.
So and there's Rocky Balboa also in the other room. So अगर आप हिंदी में बात करो हिंदी फिल्मों की, so I am manifesting a Rang De Basanti kind of film to be made again in our
Yes,
country
please.
and to get to play any character of that film. It's my forever favorite.
And it's so good to know that. And I am manifesting Javi Met too. So
Oh wow.
let's
May
let's
that
keep
happen.
our
May that
fingers
happen.
crossed
Yes.
and keep manifesting. Hoga sach hoga, definitely. And then
Hoga.
we'll interview again.